Hello guys, so I saw this recipe online and I was so curious and I wanted to try it out so that I can also plug you with the same and you can also try it out. So we are going to make an oven cleaner. The way you have your ovens dirty and you are wondering what can I use to wash them so that they become sparkling clean again. So this is for you. So you can also use this on your Meko. They are called Meko cookers, the common ones. They are prone to keeping that great with them. So we will need vinegar, we'll need dishwashing soap, we'll need water, and then we'll need lemon juice. So in this first step, I am just cutting the lemons into two and then I'll squeeze out the lemon juice. I'll be using these measuring cups. They are silicone measuring cups that I use for my baking, and since the ingredients are not toxic, so I'll just be using them. And of course, I'll clean them up and keep them. This is the dirtiest part of my oven. I had cleaned it, I think, not so long ago. So I am going to spray this mixture over here. You can see the rust, and let's see what the outcome will be. So you leave this on for 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how much dirt there is. But you can see mine is not that much, so I leave it on for 30 minutes and then we'll wash and see how it looks like. "30 minutes later, this is me just scrubbing it up and see how it looks like, and I really like the outcome. You can try this at home and let me know how it looks like, and thank you for watching. Bye.